Hello, my name is Rodolfo. I got hit by a truck driver, a semi truck, and it shook me up pretty bad. The driver did not want to stop, so I managed to get his license plate and file a police report. After a couple of days returning to work, my lower back was hurting and I had some pain in my neck and my shoulder. And I knew something wasn't right. I suffered a back injury. One of my lower discs had inflammation. There was a bulge. I also had some nerve damage in my neck. Uh, the chiropractors helped out with the alignments. After going to them for several weeks, I was recommended to go get some shots. The shots to my lower back and my neck helped out significantly. My back was really, really hurting me. Not as active as I wanted to be. I got a little girl that wants to run around all day, and I just couldn't do that. Tracy will fight for you, and she will get you what you deserve. Initial offer would be okay, but she said no, it's worth a lot more. Your injuries, your treatment, all that is those are bills that need to get paid, and you need to get what you deserve as well. She was just friendly overall, and it made me feel like she really cared and was there for me. I don't have any pain in my neck. I don't have any pain in my shoulder. My back pain is gone. I could go up on my day regularly, play with my kid, do my job without any hesitation, pain, most importantly. It helped me out with my recovery. I no longer feel a pain in my neck, and I'm in a better place now. I realized I was going to get that kind of money. I'm going to put some money off for my daughter so she could get an education when she gets older. I've used a lot of that money for debt. I also will just invested some of that money as well, so it just keeps growing. Just gotta go through the process because that's what you need to do to get in a better place, and then the attorneys could do their job and get you the ultimate compensation instead of just settling. Shouldn't discourage you from seeking what you deserve. They know what they are doing. They will fight for you, and they will get you top dollar for your situation, your injuries. If you have been injured, you need them on your side.